Yeah. I like when it dart by me pretty quick. Let's see if they're gonna play around.
Yeah, there's a lot. Oh my
wow.
God. It's busy
Whoa,
tonight.
whoa. Holy cow. Stuff must be happening.
It's really busy. And it's cloudy tonight.
Look at this.
Come out this way.
Whoa.
Damn.
Wow. Like, you can see them, they'll even fly down into our backyard. Oh, there's one right there. Wow. They're very friendly. Wow, man, that sky was busy, huh?
Oh, whoa, my God.
Look at that.
Flew right into us.
I know. Wow.
Wow, what the heck?
That is just amazing. Whoa,
Whoa.
Yes. Gosh.
Okay, we got to send these videos to that lady. We have a lot of activity in our...
I know, we do.
I wonder...
Whoa. Hey.
God, and it's late, too.
Wow.
God, it's busy.
Look at that.
What the heck?
Wow.
They're dark ones, too.
Wow. Wow. They're just everywhere.
Oh, my gosh. This
Wow.
is the most we've seen. Consistent.
Yeah. Yes. Wow.
The
Look at that.
Wow. We're like...
God, I can't wait to tell everybody about these things.
Yeah.
Wow. This is just so incredible.
I know.
Like you can see them land, like you see them all the way up until where they land, if they ever do. Wow. Yeah. See that? It was like right there. Oh, like right in the spot. Yeah.
You're right here.
Yeah. Like it came right in the spot. Wow. And you know what? Our dogs don't even notice them. Isn't that crazy? And we think that.
That yard looks pretty.
Do you see? They keep diving in the water. They're trying to check me out.
Maybe they're thirsty. Oh my gosh, there's a ton. Look
Whoa.
at this. What the heck? Oh,
Wow.
gosh. Wow.
Look at that.
It is crazy tonight.
I know.
Wow. What the
Oh, you see that up in the sky?
Uh-uh.
Oh, but there's like bigger ones. Oh, shoot.
Night, honey. Is it
You
kind
see
of
that?
sprinkling? I think it is.
They're like bigger spirits or bigger entities. Whoa! Oh, that's you, I think.
Good.
Yeah.
Dang.
Whoa!
That's so crazy.
It's like 2 o'clock in the morning too, I think.
Yep, 2:30.
Whoa! Like way back there?
Yeah,
That was a trap.
Lots going on tonight. Isn't that weird how some nights it's nothing and some nights it's a lot? Why would it be that way?
I don't know. Well, maybe there's still the other nights, but maybe we just don't see them, or maybe there are other parts of the.
No, I just think that there's some reason there's not. Oh wow. They're just either active or not. I don't know. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Remember that one that was playing with me? That was funny.
That was funny.
Like, I just sneak right down. Like, I've never had. That is so crazy.
It's crazy tonight.
Yeah. I mean, they're just diving in the water.
Well,
Like, I don't get it. Like,
maybe they like the. I said watch the water. Oh my gosh, there was one like. Oh, that was it.
yeah. Like, and now they're not landing in the water. Now that I can actually see it. Wow. Wow, man, they're just busy. Look at that.
Something's going on.
Look at that.
Look that up. Like wire or I'm gonna look it.
Whoa. And like some are bigger than, wow.
And some are really solid
Yeah.
color. Like some are faint. I want to know what they are. What it means. That
Whoa.
one lady, there's gotta be more people that have talked about this.
that one's shot from the ground up.
Really?
Yeah, like it almost like it came out of nowhere. Like it's coming up out of the ground.
Wow.
You know what?
What?
I wonder if they did go through the ground.
Maybe.
Wow. Holy cow. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. That one came through like it was coming through the valley or something, you know.
Oh my gosh. It says Spirit Orbs. It says